Welcome! If you want to stay on top of every interaction on your Instagram posts, turning on notifications for comment likes and pins is a must. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable these notifications with the latest Instagram update, so you never miss when someone likes or pins your comment. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu icon. Give that a tap. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control everything related to your account's security, privacy, and notifications. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Notifications and tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see several options for customizing what Instagram notifies you about. For this tutorial, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This is where you can fine-tune notifications related to your interactions on Instagram. Now scroll down until you find the section called Comments, Likes, and Pins. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified when someone likes your comment or pins it to the top of a post. By default, this setting might be off, so let's make sure you're getting those updates. Tap on Comments, Likes, and Pins, and you'll see a few options. To turn on notifications, simply select On. That's it. From now on, whenever someone likes your comment or pins it, you'll get a notification right away. Enabling this feature is a great way to keep track of your engagement and see which of your comments are getting noticed. Whether you're growing your personal brand or just want to stay connected with friends, these notifications ensure you're always in the loop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new notifications.